welcome to JS2. Today I will show you how to compute contour maps using ArcGIS Pro. So in this case, open ArcGIS Pro and add your data or DEM or elevation data. How to acquire your elevation data. You can check the videos that how to download digital elevation model for any area. I will put the links below to how to acquire or download digital elevation models. Once you download this digital elevation model, then this is the input data for computing contour data. Contour data is used to differentiate topographic, so that go to maps, then our data. Okay, so click where you put your elevation data or DEM data, my data. Okay, this is my DEM data. Okay, great. Elevation of the area starts from 1,677 up to 3,382 meters up to main sea level. So, for example, let us go to Symbology. Let us change the color. Yes. To this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay, great. So this dark blue color indicates higher areas or higher peaks or around mountains, and the orange one and the red one refers to the low areas of elevation, having elevation or low areas of elevation. So that when we generate contour, the more closely spaced contour indicates that higher areas or mountains, whereas the wider spaced contour indicates that the lower areas or flat and almost flat plains. So that in order to compute contours, then go to analysis. Okay, go to tools, just write contour special analysis. Click on this. Okay, great. Click on contour. Input raster is this one, this rounded stem. So click on this one. Okay, great. Output feature class means the place where you put your output data. This is a folder that you can select, browse and select where you put your output. For example, let me accept the default. Then this is a contour interval. So let me make, for example, 100 meters. Make sure that this DEM or digital elevation model is projected. So this when you project it in the form of UTM, then this 100 means 100 meters contour interval, Z factor, base contour. So leave other things as it is and click run. Okay, so this is a contour interval with 100 meters spacing. As I said you, this is widely spaced contours indicating flat plains and lower areas, whereas closely spaced contours indicate that summits and mountains. Then level, so 2,400, yes, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000. This is 100 meters difference, as you can see. This 208,000. Yes, 100 meters contour interval. Yes, you can increase the density of contours by increasing contour intervals. Okay, then you can select this color. Yes, okay, great. So, for example, let us make this one. Okay, great. You can select also, go to tools again, go to contour. If you want to increase the density of contours, then the input raster is the same as the previous at this. Then, for example, this is accept the default. Then decrease this one to 50 meters and just click run. Okay, contour completed. Let me uncheck this one. Yes, this is contour interval with 50 meters. Yes, the density of contours has been drastically increased when you change from 100 meters to 50 meters. Yes, okay, great. So you can level, click level. Yes, 50 meters difference. You can change the contour symbology. Yes, for example, let me write a contour, contour, click. You can change this one if you like. Yes, or you can change this one, or let us make this one. And you can change also the labeling. Yes, for example, Taoma 10 point. For example, let me make 14. You can change the fonts as you want. Yes, for example, let me click this one. Yes, immediately changes. Let me click on this one. You can change the color to this one. Yes, this is how you can explore contours and how you can generate or compute contours using ArcGIS Pro. So this is what we have today. But if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.